to you and we love to listen to sounds so you can come up with the right spellings. Okay, so let's go. Mary?
Uncanny, spinny, flex.
Again? Which sounds are you seeing?
Flex.
Can you say the sounds that you're seeing? Era nga bw'ogasoma bw'ogagatta awamu, don't change anything or add in anything that's not there. Kati nga bw'okyatudde bw'ogatta. Saagala kulya muka.
Flanks.
Then say flanks. Do we have flanks? Students, do we have flanks? Is there flanks?
No, teacher. No, we have N.
We don't have N. We don't have N.
Flax.
Yeah, say it again.
Flax.
Good. So let's go. Repeat it.
Uncanny, spinny, flax. A shed can swim.
Is it shade? What's the sound of that letter?
Shed.
So read it again well.
A shed can swim.
Next.
He was glad.
Sounds, Mary. Sounds, please. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Let's go.
He was glad.
Where is the I coming from then?
He was glad. Teacher, repeat it.
Again?
He was glad and glad.
He was? Class, is she correct?
No.
So can you blend the sounds correctly?
Glad.
Yeah, don't rush. Look at that word. Observe it well. Find out which sounds are you seeing. Don't see letters, but see sounds. Sounds. Okay?
Okay, sure.
So let's repeat it, the whole statement.
He was glad to see me.
Good.
The boy can ride on a sled.
Next.
A palm will.
Wait, before you proceed. A what?
A plum.
The sound of this is plum. Is O. What's the sound of this? Yes?
Palam.
I beg your pardon?
Teacher,
So blend the sounds, all the sounds together. Mm-hmm.
Palam.
Class, is it palam? Is it palam?
No,
What's the
teacher.
sound of P? Uh-huh. So let's go. Mary? The sound is
Pa.
don't let that get out. Avoid it. So it's plum, plum. Not a plum, not a palam, but plum, plum, a plum. Not a palam, but plum will hang by a stem. Can you read the full statement?
A plum.
Hmm?
A plum.
A what?
A plum. A plum will.
Plum.
Yes, Mary?
A plum.
Mm-hmm.
Plum will. A plum will. Anger. By a.
Is she correct?
No, really.
That you're not. Right.
Teacher.
Yes, please. Blend the sounds correctly.
Where, teacher?
Of course, here.
Plum. No. Plum.
Uh-huh. Again.
A plum. A plum will anger by a stem.
Is it hunger? Is that English or Luganda? Sounds,
Ag.
please. We're dealing with sounds. Mm-hmm.
A. Anger. Anger.
Mm-hmm.
Anger by a stem.
Mm-hmm. Next.
The boy had a drum.
Mm-hmm.
He must not drink a drum.
Mm-hmm.
Set a trap for rat.
Trump atusene wano. Trump has reached here. Eh?
Trap.
Sorry?
Trap.
Can you read it again?
Set a trap for a rat.
Is it rat? What is
rat,
that?
rat.
Hey. So read the full statement again.
Set a trap for a rat.
Next.
Ships go to sea.
Yes.
The boy can chop.
Good.
The man shot a ball.
Lastly.
I saw her skim the milk in a pan.
Thank you. Thank you.